Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 9, and in this video I am going to show you how to disable Google Assistant on this device. Alright, so to do this, first you have to open settings, you have to scroll down and we have to find this Google option. Right here you have to click on all services, search assistant and voice, and here we have to choose Google Assistant. Now here we have to scroll down and find this general option, and to disable Google Assistant all you have to do is just click this button and then click turn off, and that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.